Today you'll take your vocabulary test for week 5, list number 5, in language arts. Be sure to put your name at the top of the page and put your class number in the upper right hand corner. Here are the words we're going to focus on this week, and I will read them in rows from left to right. The first word is wary, adjacent, hoax. Row 2, aghast, jubilant, famine. Last row, qualm, harsh, dread, and congregate. Number 1. First word's a noun. It's a practical joke or something that was intended to deceive. Number 2 is an adjective. This word means unpleasant to the senses or conditions. Number 3. This is an adjective. It means alert, cautious, on guard, or watchful. Number 4. This word's a verb. It means to gather or crowd together. Number 5. This word is a noun. It's a drastic, wide-reaching shortage of food. Number 6 is also a noun. It's a feeling of illness or a disturbing feeling. Number 7. This is an adjective. It means shocked, frightened, terrified, or taken back. Number 8 is a verb. It means to be in terror of or to fear greatly. Number 9 is an adjective. It means adjoining, next to, near, or close. Number 10 is an adjective. It means very happy or joyful. For numbers 11 to 15, choose any of these 5 vocabulary words for this week and write each in a sentence on the back of this paper that shows that you know the meaning of that word in context. Do not write a definition of the word in the sentence. Be sure you underline each vocabulary word and that you put a capital at the beginning of your sentences and punctuation at the end.